Hello friends. If you have a dream to settle in Canada, this video is for you. Today we will talk about new Brunswick Critical Workers Pilot Program. I will guide you where to apply and how to apply for new Brunswick Critical Workers Pilot Program. So, do watch the video till end. First of all, let me tell you what is New Brunswick Critical Workers Pilot Program. The New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot is a 5-year pilot program that addresses critical labor shortages in various sectors and across different regions in the province. Who is eligible to apply for the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot? New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot is an employer-driven immigration program. Candidate applications to the pilot are made through the employer. Now let me show you how to apply. Just go to Google and search for New Brunswick Critical Workers Pilot Program. Click on this option, and you will get an official web page for this program. You can see Immigration and Settlement in New Brunswick, Canada. You will find every detail about New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program here. You can see it's a 5-year pilot program. As I mentioned, the Critical Worker Pilot is an employer-driven stream. This is the list of participant employers. You can see employers like Cook Aquaculture, J.D. Irving Limited, Groupe Savoie, Groupe Westco, Imperial Manufacturing Group, McCain Foods Limited. This program is based on targeted recruitment for skilled workers, and therefore candidate applications to the pilot are made through the participant employer. To apply under New Brunswick Critical Workers Pilot Program, click on the www.nbjobs.ca. You will be redirected to this page. I am just searching job for mechanical category. You can see all available jobs in mechanical field. Let's check Industrial Mechanical Engineer vacancy in Wood Group. You can check the roles and responsibilities for this job. You can check the skills requirement. Just scroll down and you will find an apply link. Just click and apply for this position. Let's check vacancy for fiber optics technician. I will just type fiber and press enter. You can see all available fiber related jobs here. Just clicking on field service technician, fiber tap installer. You can check job description and responsibilities here. Check essential duties and responsibilities and qualification requirement. You can apply by clicking apply link. Let's check jobs for electricians. You can see multiple vacancies in this category. Let's check industrial electrician job in Stresscon Limited. You must check this. Unfortunately, this company does not accept applications from outside of Canada. So you can't apply for this job. Let's check another job. Let's click on Senior PLC Programmer job by McCain Foods. There is no restriction here, so you can apply for this job from any part of the world. Read job description and qualifications required for this job. You can easily apply for this job. Likewise, you can search for the jobs in your field and apply. You must be having a query like, do I need IELTS for New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot? There is no such requirement. But if you can score minimum 4 to 5 bands, it will help you to process your file faster. Is New Brunswick Pilot Program is easy to get PR in Canada? Yes. This province is one of the easiest province in Canada to get PR. Is New Brunswick good for immigrants? Immigrants decide to move to New Brunswick for its relaxed, healthy, and affordable lifestyle, as well as its healthcare and education system. This province is minutes away from oceans, lakes, rivers, and trails, as well as lively urban centers and smaller friendly communities. Friends, if you want to check how to find LMIA approved employers in Canada, just click on I button to watch the video. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, do not forget to like and subscribe for more videos.